In this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll learn how to use AI caption tools inside social schedulers to streamline your content creation process and boost engagement. If you've been struggling to keep up with captions or just want to save time, you're in the right place. Stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today, available only to viewers of this channel. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know is that social schedulers like the one we'll be using today allow you to plan, schedule, and automate your social media posts. The best part? They also integrate AI-powered caption tools that help generate relevant, engaging captions in a fraction of the time. No more scrambling to write captions on the spot. Once you're logged into your scheduler, navigate to the Create Post section. From there, you'll see the option to add text. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually typing out a caption, you can activate the AI caption tool. You'll be prompted to input a few key details like the platform you're posting to, the tone you want, casual, professional, etc., and any specific keywords or hashtags you want included. The AI then generates a caption that's optimized for the platform you're using. For example, if you're posting on Instagram, the AI will craft a caption with an ideal length and structure, including the best time to post, based on engagement trends. You can tweak it if you want to, but most of the time it's pretty spot on. But that's not all. Social schedulers with AI caption tools also offer features like content suggestions and analysis. You can input a few keywords or topics, and the software will suggest caption variations, trending hashtags, or even content ideas that resonate with your target audience. This can be a huge time saver if you're running multiple social media accounts, or need to stay consistent with your content creation. Now, let's talk about efficiency. One of the biggest reasons AI caption tools inside social schedulers are so useful is that they help you maintain a steady flow of content without burning out. You can schedule posts for days, weeks, or even months in advance, all while ensuring your captions are high quality and relevant. This gives you more time to focus on other aspects of your business or personal life while your social media runs on autopilot. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can follow along with this tutorial by trying out the software we're using today. I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out if you want to take advantage of this amazing offer. Key takeaway. Using AI caption tools inside social schedulers can save you time, improve your content strategy, and keep your social media accounts active with minimal effort. The process is simple, and once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. To quickly recap: 1. You set up your social scheduler. 2. You activate the AI caption tool. 3. You input a few key details. And 4. You're ready to schedule your post with a perfectly crafted caption. Lastly, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.